3 seconds. This is how the YouTubers do their but isn't it? Where it's sort of like, and on today's video, oh the camera's, oh shit! Oh, sorry about language, I just bounced off a tree. As you do. Look, I'm not like other YouTubers. I have fun on my channel. Way! Oh! Splash, splash, splash! Splash! For a bit of content, should I buy a boat? Or a submarine? I want to go up that bit there, but I know I won't make it. Oh dear! I can't go down that bit. I kept getting stuck on the roots. Because at the end of the day I don't have axle lockers. But I can go in this bit. Hopefully the camera picked that up. Everything's all muddy. That's gonna be put on my wall. What's left of that viscous fan. See, in there is zone 3. Just going to pull over and check everything. Let's do it. Wheels all look good. Don't forget, I've still got 3 wheel nuts. I couldn't be bothered to put all 5 on. Good. That's just condensation because obviously where the exhaust kind of got wet. It's, ooh, ew, ew, ew. That'd be good content. Just see full on POV view of me slipping over and face planting some mud. Ugh. How did that get in here? Ugh. Ow, ew.